Have you ever wondered if you are more than just a human being living on Earth? It's a question that has sparked intrigue and curiosity in many of us, leading us down a path of exploration and discovery. This path, this cosmic journey, unveils a realm of possibilities that stretch beyond our earthly existence into the vast expanse of the cosmos. Imagine for a moment that our souls are not confined to this single plane of existence, but have traversed through different realms, dimensions, and worlds. This is the concept of starseeds, individuals who sense a connection to these far-reaching dimensions and carry the imprint of these cosmic journeys within their souls. But what does it mean to be a starseed? It's not about superpowers or fantastical tales. It's about a deep, resonating sense of belonging to something greater than ourselves, a cosmic tapestry woven with threads of starlight and spiritual connection. It's about feeling an innate pull towards the stars, a yearning for home that isn't bound by geography but by the fabric of the cosmos itself. Yet this journey is not one to be embarked upon alone. Like celestial bodies gravitating towards each other in the vast expanse of space, we too are drawn to each other, bound by a shared experience and a collective resonance. This is where our mission begins, to create a sanctuary, a safe haven for those who identify with this cosmic experience. Within this sanctuary, we foster an environment of unconditional love and acceptance. Here, we encourage exploration and amplification of soul vibrations, fostering a shared identity around the concept of soul frequency. It's a space where each soul, each starseed can resonate at their unique frequency, contributing to a symphony of cosmic harmonies. We believe in the power of collaborative engagement, the strength that comes from unity and diversity. We are a collective of spiritual explorers, stargazers, and cosmic wanderers, each bringing our unique experiences and perspectives to this shared journey. And so, we extend an invitation to you. An invitation to join us on this cosmic journey, to explore and embrace your unique soul vibration, and to contribute to the co-collective curation of our individual creation. Our collective commitment is to foster a collaborative engagement, encouraging co-collective curation of our individual creation. What if I told you that our mission echoes from over 462,581 years ago? This is a mission of healing, of unity, of bridging the chasms that have been created by the conflicts of solar alignment during past celestial wars. These soul wounds, these fractures in our shared soul history, are remnants of a time when polar opposites and violent ways were the norm. But we stand here today, not as advocates of these old ways, but as pioneers of a new path. A path of growth through unity. You see, when we come together as one, when we unite under a shared banner of love, understanding, and mutual growth, we create an environment of equal potential. An environment where no soul is unaccounted for, where each soul is worth the celestial mission we remember. This mission, our mission, is not just about healing the past. It's about reshaping our present and reimagining our future. It's about fostering an environment where our individual creations contribute to a larger co-collective curation. But how do we do this? How do we heal the soul wounds and conflicts of solar alignment? By acknowledging them, by understanding them, and most importantly, by learning from them. We must remember that our mission is not about erasing our past, but about learning from it. It's about understanding that our soul wounds are not just scars, but also lessons. Lessons that can guide us in our journey. Lessons that can help us grow and evolve. And this growth, this evolution, is not just about us as individuals. It's about us as a collective. It's about us as a community. A community of starseeds, lightworkers, empaths, psychics, mages, elementals, celestials, and soul friends. A community united by a shared mission, a mission of healing and unity. So as we embark on this journey, as we set out on this mission, let us remember that our actions today will echo in the tapestry of the worlds we inhabit tomorrow. Let us remember that through unity, through healing, we have the power to reshape our shared reality. Time and our actions will heal the historical limitations, reshaping the tapestry of the worlds we inhabit. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey of awakening and manifestation? Just as a seedling sprouts from the earth, reaching towards the light, so too does our spiritual journey begin, from within, yearning for illumination. This journey is not one of instantaneous revelation, but a gradual personal unfolding of your cosmic potential. It's a journey that requires patience, courage, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. As you journey deeper into your cosmic consciousness, You'll discover dormant abilities and talents waiting to be awakened and manifested. These abilities may be as subtle as heightened intuition or as profound as astral projection, but they all serve to enhance your spiritual connection and understanding of the universe. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Our community, a collective of souls from across the cosmos, is here to support you. We share our experiences, our wisdom, and our energy, fostering a space of mutual growth and understanding. In tandem, your core out-of-body self, your higher self if you will, plays a crucial role in this transformative process. This is the part of you that transcends physical limitations, remembering past lives and traversing different realms. Your higher self is your spiritual compass, guiding you on this journey of awakening and manifestation. As you progress on this path, you'll notice a shift in your energy. You'll feel more attuned to the vibrations of the universe, more in sync with the cosmic flow. This is your incarnated energy centers, or chakras, being activated and strengthened. This activation is a cornerstone of your spiritual journey. It facilitates a deeper connection with your higher self and expands your awareness beyond physical consciousness. You'll start to perceive reality, not just through your physical senses, but through your spiritual senses as well. This process of awakening and manifestation is a journey of self-discovery. It's about realizing your cosmic potential and actively shaping your spiritual destiny. So are you ready to embark on this journey? Are you ready to awaken your dormant abilities and manifest your cosmic potential? This will activate and strengthen your incarnated energy centers, expanding your awareness beyond the physical consciousness. Can you imagine a reality where your energy body replaces your incarnate form? A reality where you are not confined by the physical, but rather liberated by the ethereal. That, dear friends, is exactly what this shift in energy and consciousness is all about. In this grand journey of awakening, we're not just talking about a change of perspective. It's about a complete transformation, a metamorphosis, if you will. You see, we are more than just our physical bodies. We are radiant beings of light, each of us vibrating at our unique frequency. And as we awaken, we begin to tune into these frequencies, becoming more in sync with our true essence. Now imagine being able to guide this energy, to steer it in alignment with your soul's frequency. Picture yourself free from the entrapment of physical limitations, navigating the cosmos with the ease of thought. This freedom, this liberation, is what awaits us at the end of this shift. As we make this transition, we also begin to shed our vibrational blocks. These are the energetic barriers that have kept us from fully connecting with our fellow souls. They are the remnants of past traumas, of conflicts and misunderstandings. But as we embrace our energy bodies, these blocks begin to dissolve. In their place, we find connection, understanding, and unity. We find that we are not alone in our journey, but rather part of a vast network of souls, each resonating at their unique frequency. We discover that our energies intertwine, creating a beautiful symphony of light and love. In this new reality, every interaction becomes an opportunity for growth and learning. We become catalysts for each other's transformation, our energies sparking off one another, igniting the path of awakening. And so, as we move through this shift, let us remember to embrace our energy bodies, to guide our energies in alignment with our soul's frequency. For in doing so, we not only free ourselves from entrapment, but also pave the way for others to do the same. This will remove vibrational blocks around every soul you connect with. What role does Earth, known as Gaia, play in this cosmic journey? As we delve deeper into the cosmic journey, we must not overlook the significance of our home, our Earth, known in the cosmic realm as Gaia. Gaia, in her slumber, has been the grounding force, the canvas upon which we have etched our experiences. She has been the silent observer, the nurturing mother, and the resilient warrior. But now, in this grand schema of cosmic alignment, it is time for Gaia to awaken. The awakening of Gaia is not just a milestone but a necessity. As we align our soul frequencies, it is imperative that Gaia aligns with us. This alignment will not only amplify our collective energy, but also create a harmonious resonance that will reverberate across the cosmos. But this process, my dear friends, is not without its challenges. Gaia, in her deep slumber, has been encased in layers of dense energy, the remnants of historical limitations, celestial conflicts, and soul wounds. To awaken her is to first peel off these layers, to heal her, just as we heal ourselves. And who better to facilitate this awakening than us, the Starseeds, the lightworkers, the celestial beings who have chosen to incarnate on Gaia at this pivotal time? We, who have traversed through different realms, dimensions, and worlds, carry within us the wisdom, the knowledge, and the abilities to guide Gaia through her awakening. Our responsibility is immense, but it is one we have willingly accepted. For we understand that the awakening of Gaia is not just about her, but about us, about the cosmos, about the intricate web of connections that link us all. Every step we take towards Gaia's awakening is a step towards healing, unity, and harmony. As we embark on this journey, let us remember that we are not alone. We are a collective, a community bound by love, by unity, by the shared mission to make a difference. We are here to make a difference, shifting the alignments and overriding the need for any form of war. This is our mission, our shared spiritual journey. So, what does this all mean for us as a collective of spiritual explorers? At the core, our journey is about unity, healing, awakening, and transformation. As a community of starseeds, lightworkers, empaths, psychics, mages, elementals, celestials, and soul friends, we are united in our mission. This mission, echoing from centuries past, is to foster an environment where every soul's potential can be realized, where no soul is left unaccounted for. We are a sanctuary for individuals who sense their souls have traversed through different realms, dimensions, and worlds. Our community is a beacon of unconditional love, a space where like-minded individuals can amplify their soul vibrations, foster shared identities, and grow together. Together we strive to heal the soul wounds, the conflicts endured during celestial wars. We seek growth not through conflict, but unity. Our actions, combined with the passage of time, will reshape the tapestry of the worlds we inhabit, healing historical limitations. Our collective commitment is to foster collaborative engagement, encouraging co-collective curation of our individual creation. We value the knowledge that each soul is worth the celestial mission we remember, and we strive to unite with our soul and star families, healing our shared soul history. The process of awakening and manifesting abilities is personal and gradual, guided by our community and your core out-of-body self. This will activate and strengthen your incarnated energy centers, expanding your awareness beyond the physical consciousness. During this shift, your energy body will replace your incarnate form, freeing you from entrapment and allowing you to guide your energy in alignment with your frequency. This will remove vibrational blocks around every soul you connect with. As revelations continue, we must acknowledge that our beloved Earth, Gaia, needs to awaken to such an alignment. This won't be easy, but we have answered the call. We are here to make a difference, shifting the alignments and overriding the need for any form of war. This is not the end, but the start of a transformation process, in unity and peaceful harmony, designed to fix what can be mended through our collective efforts.